My name's Louis Curvin. I'm the general manager here at PD Ready Mix and been here since day one, and it's been about 8.5 years. We started this company with 3 trucks and an old loader, and now we have 11 front discharge trucks and a new loader, and we're very impressed with Hyundai equipment. And we have been pleased with the service that May has given us, and our operator, Jay Cortez, really enjoys this machine.
My name is Jay Cortez, and I've been working for PD Ready Mix for 6 years already. And I love my job. I got a good boss man, a good supervisor, good employees, good drivers, everybody like family. Machine, lovely, smooth, I love it. But originally I'm from Brownsville, Texas, south of the border. And I've been working here for a boss man and South Carolina Priestess for 16 years and a half. But I'm not right here, probably about altogether about 25, 26 years.
It's a total of about 17 employees here, and this is the only ready mix plant that we have in the PD. The most important things to us when we look for equipment are, number one, user-friendly for the operator. Number two, comfort for him and the efficiency of the machine and the power of the machine. And this machine and the one previous has given us excellent service, very little problems as far as breaking down. Our business is primarily residential. We probably do about 10% commercial, and we have probably, I would say, I'm guessing 80% of the residential builders in the PD do business here at PD Ready Mix. Our phone number is 843-407-5992, and anyone who sees this video is welcome to call us for Ready Mix Concrete, plus a representative to come out and look at their job.